tired of dealing with this phone. Okay, hi guys. Today we're gonna be making slime, as you see. But just earlier, I just made some. It was out of some glue all and some oxygen clean and some salt and some baking soda. Sorry, I just made a mess. But as you can see, today we're going to be making slime. What kind of slime, you say? Today we're going to be making clear slime. Okay, let's get started. All you just need is going to need a bowl, a spoon, and some washing powder and some glue. So first, pour the glue in. Then put the washing powder. Then mix it up. We'll be right back. Can you get the camera for me, please? Sure. Thank you, because I got glue on my hand. Okay, hi guys. So we're just trying to finish mixing it with my hands. As you see now, it's turning to slime. But it's a little bit crunchy because I just made it. So as you can see, it's blue because I don't have no food color, but sorry. So like tomorrow I might have some food color and I might come back on for you guys. So subscribe and some like. So today, no wait, I messed up on the word, so just block it out. Okay, I might be making another slime in a few minutes. So bye.